asking why there are mountains here. It's a little bit weird to see mountains right here, but if you give me the chance to explain it to you, you will understand it soon. So in nature, we can find a pretty large variety of rocks and stones. Sometimes they are mixed up in some landscapes, such as these mountains, the bottom of the sea, and rivers. But the most curious thing is that we can also find stones inside us, exactly in our kidneys. So hi, I'm Rocío, and I'm going to explain what are kidney stones and why they are so important for us to treat them as soon as we know we suffer for them, and why at least the 10% of the people suffer at least once in their life of kidney stones. So, till you're watching this, you can see the anatomy of the kidney and how the stone reaches from inside the kidney down the ureters until it reaches the bladder. Then when it reaches the bladder, in urinating, it goes out of the body through the urethra. In the anatomy of the excretory system, because the stones, the kidney stones, although it takes its name from the kidneys, it has all the process to be in the excretory system. So these are the main parts of the excretory system. Here we will see it better, the parts of the excretory system, but the main thing I wanted to show in this slide is where are the kidneys exactly located in our body. We can see that is in the back of us. When this picture turns, we can see that the kidneys are located right here in the back of our body. So this is what I was saying. At least the 10% of us, always in our life, will have kidney stones, and due to the medical schools and world data, the statistics says that 1 out of every 11 Americans will experience kidney stone once during their lifetime. Some symptoms are very high pain in our ribs, in our abdomen. Also, when urinating, we can feel like we can't urinate because it's so painful. Some nausea, and also vomiting. These kidney stones are more common to be in men that are adults between 20 and 50 years. In kids, they are so rare as well as in women, but the most common are in men between 20 and 50 years. Then, other risk factors is not to be hydrated and also to be obese. These two factors are very important to suffer from kidney stones. Then, when we don't have healthy habits, as we are going to see later, the calcium, that are the most common stones, combines with the kidney and form calcium oxalate stones. This is an infographic that I have made, and now we are going to center in this part that is kidney stones treatment. So, kidney stones treatment. Here are the most common treatments for kidney stones. It is true that this one is the most common, but I have also put personally here and says intravenous fluids, medical expulsive therapy, and ureteral endoscopy. I'm going to explain a little bit each one so you can understand them well. This one is an anti-inflammatory drug, and its main function is to treat fever, pain, and inflammation. The intravenous fluids is to almacenate water in our body for example, physical uses like urinating and sweat. Then the medical expulsive therapy, its function is to help to the passage of kidney stones, and the lithotripsy, as we said, is the most common one. Its function is to break the kidney stones as well, that when they come out of the body, they are not as painful as they were before. And the ureteral endoscopy is like a little mirror to see where is exactly the stone located to break them into pieces. So now we have seen that these treatments are like medical treatments, but without a doubt, the most natural one of them, better for our health, is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Maybe we are thinking that it's not as easy as it seems, but we are all wrong. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is really easy. All we have to do basically is to control our weight, no smoking, no drinking alcohol drinks, and maintaining a healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet means to eat vegetables, fruits, healthy proteins, and whole grains. So we can also make a lot of sport to maintain our healthy habits. What I'm going to talk about this is because, yes, we have a lot of medical treatments. We have a lot of things to fight with kidney stones, but the most natural one, the most we have to be concerned with is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Because in this case, we are suffering because we want to suffer. If we all maintain a really good diet, a really good sport treatment and everything, maybe this disease will disappear, or at least it will increase a lot. Sport helps us physically in our health. Also, it maintains a regular cardiovascular disease away from us, and also it controls our blood pressure. So here are some examples of sports. And in conclusion, what I was saying, it is really important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, because if we have pain, it's because in this case we want to have pain. If we all maintain and we are all concerned to have a healthy lifestyle, to have healthy habits, to make a sport, this won't happen, and kidney stones won't be as common as they are. It's not that difficult. We all have to be concerned about it, and the reason I made this campaign because this one is not a bad disease in quotes, but we have to treat it as soon as we can, because if we don't treat it, it can lead to the worst, and it's an extreme pain. So also, I have made this other campaign to summarize what I was saying at all. Only you choose how to take care of yourself, choose well. This is what I was saying. If you all eat well, do exercise, and maintain a healthy lifestyle, not only kidney stones, but a lot of other diseases will disappear, and we don't have to suffer from them.